All of our food stuff, everything's shot. That's how high the water came up on the door. This is how high the water came up on the floors.
Is that what you got, a video?
You can see the water level on the cabinets. The refrigerator's out, it's not working, the hot water heater's not working, the stove won't light. Freezer's out. The only thing that's working right now is the heat. The hot water heater won't light, chest freezer's out, everything's out. Here's the height of the water on the door, you can see it over a foot. It's crazy.